I welcome you all, students. Currently, we are understanding the phrases. In today's class, we will understand about the participle phrase and absolute phrase. So, let's understand what are the participle phrases. You know that participles are of three types, but participle phrase comprises of present participle or past participle. They might have some modifiers and other words which can modify these participles. Okay, so let's understand. It's a phrase. It's a phrase comprising of a present participle, present or past participle. Modifiers, and words and other words linked to participles. So before we proceed further, let's understand what are these. You know that participle indicates that it must have, participle phrase indicates that this phrase must have a participle. There are certain modifiers which add to the meaning of the participle, and there must be either present participle or the past participle, and there might be some other words which can add to the meaning of the participles. It always works like an adjective. So let's see. The chairs made of plastic look beautiful. Made of plastic. This is the participle phrase, and here you know that made. Make, made. So third form of the verb, here it is past participle. Okay. So this is the underlined part. The students raising their hands want extra seats. The students raising their hands want extra seats. She got an email mentioning about her exam. Mentioning about her exams. Okay, so here you can easily understand that these are the participles which are modifying the meaning of which, chair, student, and email. These are the nouns, and their meaning is modified with the help of these participle phrases. So I hope you have understood what are the participle phrases. Now we are going to understand about the absolute phrase. So let's understand. Absolute phrase look like clauses, but they are not the clauses, they are the phrases. Why? Because they lack a true finite verb. So let's understand about the absolute phrases. Absolute phrases absolute phrases. These phrases comprise of a participle, noun or pronoun, modifiers and other linked words. What are absolute phrases? Absolute phrases comprise of a participle, noun, pronoun, modifiers and other linked words. They look like clauses. They look like clauses but lack a true finite verb. Okay? These modify the whole sentence. Okay? So let's see examples. The boys carrying books in their hands went to college. Having anger in his eyes, he met his enemy. Having anger in his eyes, he met his enemy. So here you can easily understand what are absolute phrases. They look like the clauses, but they are not the clauses because they lack the finite verb. Moreover, they modify the meaning of the whole sentence. Okay. So here you can see these examples, and I hope you have understood what are the absolute phrases. And before it we have understood what are the participle phrases. So I hope your understanding has grown regarding the phrases, and with this we have come to the end of the discussion about the phrases. So if you are a regular student, then you just recommend the channel, and if you are a new student, then you subscribe the channel. Okay. Thank you. Keep watching.